we have here e4 to the power of t multiplied by 8 to the power of t equals 30. We have to find the value of t, but we will certify this equation here. Now here I put down solution. I bring the question down here, 4 to the power of t multiplied by 8 to the power of t equals 30. Now the first step you need to consider here is for you to break down the left hand side of the equation. You're going to simplify this to base 2. Now 4 to base 2 give you 2 to the power of 2, then multiply by t, then multiply by 8 to base 2, you give it 2 to the power of 3 times t equals 30. Then now from indices, when you have the same base, we add up the powers. And as such, here you're going to have 2 to the power of 2t plus 3t equals 30. When if you simplify this, you are going to have 2 to the power of 2t plus 3t, that will give you 5t equals 30. Now, the next step is for us to apply log to both sides of the equation. If you do, are going to have here that log 2 to the power of 5t equals log 30. Now here we are going to apply power rule, but is going to return this power on top of argument to the back of the log, and the equation becomes 5t log 2 equals log 30. Here we can still break down log 30 applying product rule, and that way we have here that 5t log 2 equals log 2 times 15. This will give us 30. We can still simplify this further. Then we have this 5t log 2 equals log. This can also be expressed as log 2 plus log 15. Then here we are going to divide both sides of the equation through by log 2. And this we are going to have here that 5t equals log 2 plus log 15 divided by log 2 . You can still break this down, and we are going to have here that 5t equals log 2 divided by log 2 plus log 15 divided by log 2. When here we have 5t equals log 2 will cancel out log 2, 1, and you have a 1 plus log 15 base 2. Recall that if you have log a base b, but the same thing as log a divided by log b, I applied this directly to this, and we achieve this. Now here, to get t, we divide both sides of the equation through by 5. When in that note, we have that t equals 1 over 5 into 1 plus log 15 base 2. And this is the value of t that we will satisfy this given exponential equation here on the board. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more math solutions. See you in the next video.